Okay, my name's Steve Nixon. I'm the parts manager of HTC Heathrow. We are a DAF truck franchise in which we have 10 sites in the group. We deliver parts across the Heathrow area, including DAF parts, TRP all makes, truck and trailer, consumables and light commercial vehicle parts. Prior to using Podfather, we were using a manual system which included a whiteboard, a vehicle tracker and Excel spreadsheets. Obviously this was causing issues with our customers in terms of quick responses for ETAs and proof of deliveries. This was very time consuming to go and find it, and it was causing an admin burden as well as a lot of paperwork. With the ePod system, this gives us peace of mind. We see real-time visibility, which is key for our parts delivery success. Also, this improves our customer service levels. Podfather is a game changer in our industry, helping us modernise our operation.